What is a collagraph, you may ask? Well, a collagraph is a type of printmaking. It uses found objects with lots of texture glued to a surface such as cardboard, and then it's sealed with a varnish so that paint can be applied with a brayer or a roller so that you can actually place paper on top, press, and peel back to create a print of that surface. The surface that you create with the found objects is called a printing plate. Here are some examples of actual collagraphs that kids and other artists have made, followed by some examples of prints. We are going to take the idea of these traditional collagraphs, tweak it a little bit so that we can do this project more easily at home. Our art won't look exactly like the examples, but it will be just as fun and just as unique to you.
You are going to need a couple materials for this week's project, so listen to the list and then run off and gather them and we'll get started on our project. The first thing you're going to need for this week's project are snack boxes, cereal boxes, popcorn boxes. If you see your folks throwing away one of these beautiful items, rescue it from the trash, you can turn it into a gorgeous piece of art, all right? So this is a thin cardboard. We're gonna be cutting this thin cardboard, so the second item you're going to need for this week's project is a really good pair of scissors, okay? And we will talk about proper cutting techniques so that you stay safe, because really, go get those good scissors. The third thing you're going to need is whatever liquid glue you can find at your house. Elmer's school glue is great. If you only have a glue stick, use that. I'll talk you through how to use just a glue stick. If you have tacky glue or craft glue at your house, this is awesome because it dries a little faster. But truly, just find what you have, use what you've got. It'll be fine, no biggie. You're not gonna need really a pencil for this because like Henry Matisse, and second and third graders remember who Henry Matisse is, and they could tell you, Henry Matisse didn't use a pencil to draw his shapes, he actually drew with scissors. So just mentally prepare for that, it's kind of fun. Go gather your supplies, meet me back here, and we will start this week's challenge in just a moment.